In the highlands of Chiriquí, Panama, every coffee bean holds information. Today, Sia has learned how to read it. Because behind every harvest, there is a story written by the land, by the climate, by biodiversity, and by the hands of those who cultivate this landscape every day. Today, science allows us to understand what once remained hidden, to trace origin, to protect quality, and to strengthen the future of one of the world's most extraordinary coffees. From Panama, researchers, producers, and local communities are working together to prove that excellence and sustainability can go hand in hand. That producing and conserving do not have to be opposing parts. Because the future of coffee is not only cultivated, it is studied, it is protected, and it is built, bean by bean, data by data, story by story.